A certain weightlifting machine having a weight of 10 kilonewtons is lifted by an effort of 250 newtons while the weight moves upwards by a distance of 100 mm and the point of application of effort moves by a distance of 8 meters. Find the mechanical advantage, velocity ratio and efficiency of the machine. So first is that the weight is given. Weight will always be the force which has which is high in the magnitude, and effort will be the force which is smaller in the magnitude. So effort will be equal to 250 newtons and distance moved by the weight is equal to, let's say it is x, and that is 100 mm, and distance moved by effort, that's equal to y. It is 8 meters or 8000 mm. Now first is the mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage is expressed as load by effort. Load is 10,000 divided by effort is 250. So 250, that will give us 40. Next is velocity ratio. Velocity ratio is given by distance moved by the effort divided by distance moved by the load, that is y by x, which is 8000 divided by 100, which is equal to 80. And next is the efficiency. Efficiency is expressed as mechanical advantage by velocity ratio into 100%. This is 40 by 80 into 100. This is equal to 50% would be the answer.